everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. We're down at the allotment again, and we've come down nice and early to get things going, and walked up to my polytunnel, and I can see the rats are still digging, so I've got to address that again. And then we've got going round now to get some manure to come along. So got all these things to sort out down there as well. Got all these sort of things to take out when I can. I've still got these in, I haven't taken them up yet. I've got a big one here. So starting to dry off now, so I don't know what I'm going to leave those for another couple of weeks. See my onions and everything. So the main thing what we've got to do is sort out how we're going to attack those rats in there. I've brought some ammonia, so I'm going to see if that works or not. So it's just one of them things. Every week we come down, you want to do something, and then you end up sorting out the rats. I know we might have some rats in that little shed there what I've got, and as you can see next door they've had to light the fire to get rid of all that wood what was there, because it was too much for them to get another skip. So we're going to go around and get some manure, pile it up along there, so I've got enough. Got to do it bit by bit, and then I've got to address all this when I can. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so this is what I'm talking about now. You can see there's still tunnelling. We filled it, although we filled it in with stones and that, there's still get in there, and you can see how far down the tunnel is because we put the bricks there, so you can see how determined they are to get in there, and they're most probably still inside. Can't see nothing from the outside. See, some of my elephant garlics have come up. Right, let's open this top bit. And as you can see, let my cameraman go nearer, and that's the destruction what they're causing. Just a pain and nuisance. Everything they're digging up, all my plants they're biting off the tops. But my ginger's suffered, so they're just a blinking nuisance. Right, so I don't know, I want to get all these plants out and then clear this area here, and that give them less space to go, and then I'll address that on the floor, and then I'll have to see what else I can sort out. So I'm going to carry on with that, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I'm just clearing out the polytunnel as best as I can. Got my tomatoes out and my old melon plants. I've got all the melon plants along the side. I've got to give it a wash, try and give it a wash before I go. So I've got these beds here. What I'm going to do is just dig these over. Just turn it over. You see the soil is nice and loose in there. if it wasn't for the digging and everything, and I wasn't going away, then maybe I would have put a crop of carrots back in. But you can see all my other carrots have all been pulled up. They've pulled them up and bitten them up and everything. So they're just really a nuisance. So just dug this one over. When they bring round some of the proper manure, then I'll put some on top. So I'm going down as deep as I can. So I'm going to do this, turn this over, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got that done, and as you can see with my okras, they're starting to mildew from the cold, so those can come up if I can get them up. Right, they're coming up pretty more easier than I thought they would. So I'll get these out. Then I'll get this bed as well dug over. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so just come back out from our polytunnel. As you can see, I've got to put on my marigolds and everything. What I've got here is some household ammonia. According to them, rats don't like the smell of this. So I've got a spray bottle here that I'm going to transfer some of it into. God, yeah, can see why. And can see why they wouldn't like the smell of it and why they say it's toxic as well. So I've got to try and spray this in the places where I see them digging nearby, and then I'm going to close up my polytunnel, and I'm going to be outside for a bit. So got my spray bottle here. This hole here where they're digging here, I'm going to spray here. So when they come, at least the stones will be soaked in it. Right, so you can see how big the hole is where they're digging. Right, I'll come up here. Oh God, I can smell it already. They're digging behind here. So get that in there. And God, you can smell it. And in this corner down here, where they're digging, give that a good squirt of it as well, all along the side, all up there. If anything's in here, it's going to really suffocate. God. I know they said that this stuff is lethal, but why? Anywhere where they are in here, I don't think they're going to be staying in here for long. everywhere. God, it's going up my nose. Spray along the path. Get my fork. God, I think you need a mask. A mask for that. Put this back in quickly. To leave it up this end. God. Right, close that quick. God. That is horrible stuff. Right. Right, put these bricks back. And spray the top of them. Right. Oh. Right, so that's them taken care of, hopefully. Good. Right. So if I can't take the smell of that, then I don't know if they're in there. They'll be scouring around. Right, oh yeah, my shed up there, I've got a spray in there as well. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, everybody, so just picking off these last few of my cobra beans. You have to look good to see if you can spot where they are. And as you can see, I've got all these pods on there all over the place. It looks like there'll be a nice cropper if there was to be nut, but you can see they're not drying up, only a few's dried up. And you can't get the bean out unless they're dry with these ones. So that's what I noticed with them. See, they're growing big bunches, like they're growing like big bunches. You can see two more runner beans around there. You go down, round. I've spotted them somewhere around there. So you have to keep looking to find the beans. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so that's what I've harvested there for now. Right, so I need to get a couple of these lettuces out, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've gone through my lettuces. I've got I think it's La La Rossa. I don't know what this one is. I think it's a little gem, the red one. But so that's what I've got out of that. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. Sorry that we haven't got much to show you at the moment. There goes one. You just you can see the size of it just running across there. That's the size of the rats. I don't know where he's come from, but they must have smelt the ammonia. So I don't know if he's dug himself out or what, but I'm going to have a look in a minute. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.